So this question says, evaluate the expression for the given value of x. And so what we've got is we've got this 4x, and then we're told that x is really a 6. So a lot of people might want to just say, oh, well, if x is really a 6, well, then the answer is 46. That would be wrong. When we say 4x, this means 4 times x. So in this case, since x is really a 6, it really means 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. So here we are told to evaluate x over 4. That means x divided by 4. So the idea is x over 4 means x divided by 4, or another way of saying that is x divided by 4. All right, so if we're told that x is really a 16, so that means x over 4 becomes 16 over 4. So that really means 16 divided by 4, and so 16 divided by 4 is 4. So here, evaluate the expression for the given value of x. So you've got this thing. Now what does that mean? So 5 parenthesis x plus 4 parenthesis. Now we know that wherever we see an x, we're supposed to replace it with a 4. But what does all of this junk mean? Well, these parentheses mean to focus on them first, all right? And that means, so first we're going to add these two numbers together, then we're going to multiply by 5. So we know that x is really a 4, so this becomes 5 parenthesis 4 plus 4. And then we know that 4 plus 4 is really 8. So now you get this 5 parenthesis 8. And that means multiply. So when you have 5 parenthesis 8, that means 5 times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40, and that's our answer. So here, evaluate a over 4 plus 3. So you've got a over 4 plus 3, and we're told that a is really 32. All right, so a is really a 32, so that means it's going to be 32 divided by 4. Then we're going to add our 3. So what's this 32 divided by 4? Well, that's 8, because 4 times 8 is 32. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. So here, evaluate s times, so remember that parenthesis means we're going to multiply, r minus 5. Now we're told two things. R is really a 9, and s is really a 5. All right, so let's substitute. S is really a 5, and then R is really a 9, so you get this. So the first thing you have to do is the parentheses. You have to do this parenthesis thing first. We're not allowed to multiply until we take care of the parenthesis. And so that's going to be 4. And there's your 5. And so the answer, because remember, 5 parenthesis 4, that means multiply. So our answer is 20. So here, find the value of y for the given value of x. So again, we're told that y equals x plus 6, and we're told that x is really a 23. So that means y is equal to, and then it's 23 plus 6. So y is equal to 29. So they're just kind of getting fancy, and all of a sudden they threw in y. And in this case, y basically is like your answer. It's like the answer equals 29. So x plus 6 becomes 23 plus 6, which is 29. And this whole thing is y, because y is equal to this, which is equal to this, which is equal to this. And so the answer is 29. So again, find the value of y for the given value of x. So we have this y is equal to 8x. And the thing you need to know is 8x means 8 times whatever x is. And in this case, we're told that x is 3. So this becomes y is equal to 8 times 3. All right. Now, I used a dot to indicate multiplication. If I wanted to, I could have said y is equal to 8 parenthesis 3. That means the exact same thing. These two lines would have meant the exact same thing. And so 8 times 3 is 24. So that means y is equal to 24. Getting close to the end here. Find the value of f for the given value of z. Now, they're just getting fancy. All of a sudden, they're just using different letters. No big deal. It's all the same stuff. So we know that f is equal to, and then this means 30 divided by z. Remember, when it's written like this, it means division. It also means a fraction, but it's kind of the same thing. So now we know that f is 30 divided by 6 because we're told that z is equal to 6. And so f is equal to 5 because 30 divided by 6 is 5. Find the value of y for the given values of x and z. So we're going to start with y is equal to x plus z. But we're told that x is really a 3, and we are told that z is really a 16. So that means we have y is equal to 3 plus 16. That's pretty straightforward. That makes 19 because 3 plus 16 is 19. So our answer is 19. And wrapping it up, yay! Find the values of f for the given values of z and x. So we've got this funky formula, f is equal to x divided by z. But we're told that z is 6, and we're told that x is 18. So f is equal to, and then we're going to replace the x with 18, and we're going to replace the z with a 6. And so now you get 18 divided by 6. Well, we know that's 3. So you've got this f. Kind of a thing that I want you to notice is see how nice and neat and going straight down these lines. I got my f's all lined up, and I've got all these fractions perfectly lined up, and everything's all nice and neat. That's kind of a key thing in mathematics. We want to try and be as nice and neat and organized as we can. And that wraps up this video.